gonna be a scorcher today.
Yeah, we headed out here. Feed our animals this nice morning. I wanted to dress cute, but I came outside and Duke rolled up on me. He was wet. I don't like that. I love Duke, but I don't like no wet dog on me. Amen. Somebody knocked my leg. So I had to regroup. Farm living. And I'm getting oranger by the day in this sun. Okay. Chasing this bag. They chasing this bag. Not the money bag, the food bag. Come on, girls, let's go. Come on, come on. These girls out here chasing this bag. It's a different kind of bag. We chase money bags. Amen, somebody. They chasing food bags. They're like, hurry up, girl. I'm hurrying. Watch your head, girl. Watch your head. All right. You got your food. You got your water. And I'm out. On to the next one. Another feud. Oh, family feud. On to the next animal. About to feed these birds.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's the whole thing, child. That's all manure.
So one of our meat birds died. Had to go scoop them up. Can't show that part, TikTok, Facebook, wherever I posted a censor it. So, can't post no dead bird. Hard work and it's hot. Amen, somebody. So the cows are fed, the chicken are fed, and our goats are fed. And it's still hot. I hope y'all have an awesome day today.